Hey everyone, welcome back to Toby. Today I am super excited because we are diving into the world of Amazon's hottest product right now. I have scrolled through the top sellers and narrowed it down to the three absolute must-haves for women. In my screen here is a lip sleeping mask and it has it all details here. You can check it now. This product is suitable for every skin type. You may find this very helpful, I think. This mascara on my screen of Essence brand is the #1 seller in mascara. You can check the ratings here. Well, this is Revlon face roller. It is very beneficial for makeup. You may check the ratings here. It removes extra oil from your face. If you like the video, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, or hit the bell icon for a new update.